So friends, brothers, sisters, who share together with me, let's preserve natural quality of human species, Homo sapiens, and let's develop this species more higher qualities, free from sickness, free from my mental illness, confusions, delusions, and let's make this world into paradise. Okay. Friends, brothers and sisters who like to go together with me, let's go together. Okay. And let's call everyone, regardless difference of nationality, difference of race, difference of color, difference of religions, let's call everyone. Please come. Let's preserve our natural quality. Let's develop our highest quality of body, mind, and spirit. I like to go together with you. Thank you very much.